one that I wrote some time ago. Again, it's dealing with the drums. It's called Drum Sleep.
Yeah, that's the professor himself. Let's give him another hand. Professor Emeritus, you talk to the brother, you know, and you will know. Brother is a walking historian. Yeah, my good brother, Walter Barrow.
This is called A Touch of Class. Yes, I saw her deep within. As she spoke, I listened with intent and diligence. For what did I see? A touch of class. Her physical body charged, reflecting warmth, consistency, and depth. That aroused the magnetism within. As she spoke, words written in the atmosphere, peace, life. Then I knew I must know her head. A head of wisdom and continuity. A head filled with challenge and balance. A head that captivates and motivates. A head, a complete head. Looking, then suddenly I was driven out of my body with thought and breath. I, like you, readily. Words with brought back memories of time. As she raised, adjusting her physical body, bringing her fiery eyes into focus. A direct focus, emulating the surroundings. Eyes of oneness and positive transition. Eyes of torture and purification. Yes, eyes. Sacred eyes and hair. She smiled, still confused. She resisted as the forces adjusted. You know, it is different. Here we are alone with nature, and you administer control. But what did I see? A touch of class. A touch of caution, but sincerity. So I replied, wonderful. Communication is the goal. Without it, nothing can unfold or told. So my dear, remember, time, remembering always, your physical body is a part of you, and you will decide. The touch, yes, the touch. Yes, a touch of class. Be cool, be wonderful, and oneness will prevail. Yes, a touch of class.
Dimension, you know. All right, this one is called Kaiso and Pan in Heaven.com. I don't know. I'm in heaven already, you know. High pitch. Brother, forget me. You know we have to have the pan, you know. It's not just a Trinidad thing. Poets have been known to set the stage for social change. Many are prophets, prophesying both good and evil. Many have been banished, tortured, and killed. But the poetic spirit continues to manifest itself. High pitch, Alvin Roberts, they make you feel so nice in depth. They celebrated and honored your life and contribution. Maestro lit a candle, humming, and the procession halts as flag woman Dali explained the mysticism of carnival, whispering in your ears, no rum, no wine, no woman, but water, air, and fire. For so, the elements, a natural eye, you think, kitsch, laugh, and bump you up. Lord Shorty Eye interrupted and started praying, and John L, with melody, chanting the chorus, Kaiso, 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 and come in heaven, dum come, Kaiso, and come in heaven, dum come. No more Kojambi, no stick fighting, no masquerading, no mask. As the imageries are elucidated, Eric Williams bumping without a renee. C.L.R. James chanting the chorus, Kaiso and Pan in heaven, dot come. Papa Duck, Burnham and Eric Gary sideline, scuffling. Gordon Grant, sax, and Tom Charles conducting the band. Michael Manley, playing tenor. And Morris Bishop, and Rosie Douglas, playing the guitar pan. Yes, Walter Rodney on bass drums. Kaiso and Pan in heaven, dot come. The rivers flowing, waves beating on the rocks, and the wind gushing high. With flames burning, the elements, Kaiso and Pan in heaven, dot come. High pitch, Alvin Roberts, high pitch. Yeah, now we have our poet laureate. Thank you. Must salute those guys. Also, all the brothers and sisters who are engaged in Peru, dealing, we try to breathe. We have to breathe. The corporations have another mindset.